Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's card tasks and subtasks power-up. This incredible feature will help you manage your workload more efficiently, so let's get started. First up, navigate to your Trello board. Find the card you want to add tasks and subtasks to, and click on it to open the card details. This is where all the magic happens. By adding tasks and subtasks, you're breaking down your work into smaller, manageable pieces, which is key for productivity. Now that we've opened the card, look for the Power-Ups section on the right-hand side. Click on the Power-Ups button and select Card Tasks and Subtasks from the drop-down menu. The reason we do this is to activate the power-up for this specific card, giving us the ability to start adding tasks and subtasks. With the Card Tasks and Subtask power-up activated, you'll see a new section appear in your card. Click on the Add a Task link to start creating your tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each task you create becomes a checklist item within this card. By adding tasks directly within the card, you're keeping all the related work in one place, making it easier to track progress. Next up, add your subtasks. Click on the task you've just created, and you'll see a new option to Add a Subtask. This helps us because subtasks let us break down complex tasks into smaller steps, further simplifying our workflow. As you add each subtask, remember to give each one a clear, concise description. The more specific you can be, the easier it will be for you or your team to follow through on each task. Let me explain why this matters. Clear descriptions help prevent misunderstandings and keep everyone on the same page. Once you've added all your tasks and subtasks, you can use the checkboxes to track your progress. Every time you complete a task or subtask, simply click on the checkbox to mark it as done. This visual representation of progress is a great motivator and helps keep you on track. And that's it. You're now a pro at using Trello's Card Tasks and Subtasks power-up. Remember, the key to effective task management is breaking down your work into manageable chunks, and Trello's power-up makes this process a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.